In this tutorial, we will show you how you can check at a glance if you have full admin permissions in Empower Mails. If you would like to find out how to check your permissions in Empower Docs, please take a look at the corresponding video that we have linked below this tutorial. The additional options available to an admin within Empower Mails are
access to the customizing tool with a tab specially dedicated for Empower Mails,
access to the signature templates via the Manage Signature Templates button, and the option to manage campaigns via the Manage Campaigns button. Normal users cannot access these functions. Let's go through the individual functions one by one. As an administrator, you have the option of making adjustments within the customizing tool. The Empower Mail specific tabs are Mail Settings, where you can decide whether signatures that were not created using Empower Mails should be archived and deleted. Mails Font and Colors.
Here you can specify which font style, size or color is present when creating a new email or responding to an email.
And Campaign Management, where you can create fields and groups for targeted campaigns. For more information on the other tabs in our customizing tool and how to install it, please refer to the corresponding tutorial Customizing Tool, which we have also linked below this tutorial. Now let's look at the next function, the Manage Signature Templates. Using the Manage Signature Templates button, you, as an administrator, can access, edit, and delete all signature templates, and of course, add new ones. This allows you to manage the signature templates in your company easily and clearly. Last but not least, Manage Campaigns. The Manage Campaigns button gives you as an admin access to the campaign management. Using the fields and groups defined in the customizing tool, you can design, schedule, and change targeted email campaigns according to your requirements. Now feel free to test these functions and save valuable time. If you have any further questions about Empower Mails, please feel free to check our other tutorials.